Welcome to our journey through some of the most unreal places on Earth. In this video, we'll take you on an adventure to explore breathtaking destinations that seem almost too incredible to be real. From the vibrant colors of the Rainbow Mountains in Peru, to the otherworldly landscapes of Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, each location offers a unique glimpse into the beauty and diversity of our planet. Get ready to be captivated by stunning visuals and fascinating stories behind these surreal spots. We'll delve into the natural wonders that defy imagination, showcasing hidden gems that are often overlooked by travelers. Whether you're an avid explorer or simply a dreamer, this video is designed to spark your curiosity and inspire your next adventure. So, sit back and prepare to be amazed as we unveil these extraordinary places that will leave you in awe. Join us as we embark on this visual journey, discovering the magic that lies in the most unreal corners of the world. You won't want to miss a moment of this incredible exploration. The Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Welcome to the Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, where nature creates a breathtaking spectacle, especially during the rainy season. When the rains come, a thin layer of water covers the salt crust, transforming the landscape into a stunning mirror that reflects the sky. This surreal visual effect creates an illusion of endless space, making it a photographer's paradise and a must-see for any traveler. Beyond its stunning visuals, the Salar de Uyuni is home to a unique ecosystem. The area supports various wildlife, including flamingos that flock to the salt flats to feed on the abundant microorganisms found in the saline waters. These vibrant birds add a splash of color to the stark white landscape, creating a striking contrast that enchants visitors. Culturally, the salt flats hold significant importance for local communities. Indigenous traditions and practices are deeply intertwined with the salt production process, and many locals still harvest salt using age-old methods. This connection to the land enriches the experience, allowing visitors to appreciate not just the beauty of the Salar de Uyuni, but also its cultural heritage. Antelope Canyon, USA. Welcome to Antelope Canyon, a mesmerizing slot canyon renowned for its wave-like structures and stunning beauty. This natural wonder is a photographer's dream, especially when sunlight filters through the narrow openings above, illuminating the canyon walls in vibrant hues of orange, red, and purple. The interplay of light and shadow creates a dynamic visual experience that changes throughout the day, making each visit unique. For photography enthusiasts eager to capture the perfect shot, timing is crucial. The best light occurs around midday when the sun is directly overhead, casting beams of light that dance along the canyon walls. Using a tripod can help stabilize your camera for longer exposures, allowing you to capture the intricate textures and colors of the rock formations. Geologically, Antelope Canyon was formed over thousands of years by flash flooding and erosion, which carved out its stunning shapes. The Navajo sandstone that makes up the canyon is over 190 million years old, showcasing the incredible forces of nature at work. This rich geological history adds depth to the experience, inviting visitors to appreciate not just the beauty, but also the story behind this breathtaking landscape. Welcome to the enchanting world of the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, where vibrant colors dance across the Icelandic sky. This breathtaking phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's atmosphere, creating stunning displays of green, pink, and purple light. The best time to witness this magical spectacle is during the winter months, from late September to early April, when the nights are longest and the skies are darkest. Travelers who have experienced the Northern Lights often describe it as a life-changing moment. Many share stories of standing under the shimmering sky, feeling a sense of awe and connection to nature. One traveler recounted how the lights appeared unexpectedly, illuminating the night with a vibrant green glow, leaving them speechless and filled with wonder. For an unforgettable experience, some of the best locations in Iceland include Thingvellir National Park, the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, and the remote areas around Lake Mývatn. These spots offer minimal light pollution and breathtaking backdrops, enhancing the beauty of the aurora. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, witnessing the Northern Lights in Iceland is an experience you'll cherish forever. Welcome to Pamukkale, a breathtaking natural wonder known for its stunning terraces of mineral-rich thermal waters. These travertine terraces were formed over thousands of years as calcium carbonate deposits accumulated from the hot springs that flow down the mountainside. The result is a series of cascading pools that create a mesmerizing landscape, inviting visitors to soak in their warm, healing waters. Many believe that these thermal baths offer various health benefits, including relief from ailments such as arthritis and skin conditions. Nearby lies the ancient city of Hierapolis, which adds historical significance to this remarkable site. Founded in the 2nd century BC, Hierapolis was a thriving spa town where people flocked to enjoy the therapeutic properties of the thermal springs. Today, you can explore the well-preserved ruins, including a grand theater and ancient tombs, which provide a glimpse into the rich history of this area. As you plan your visit to Pamukkale, it's essential to consider the environmental impact of tourism. The delicate ecosystem surrounding the terraces is vulnerable to over-tourism, so practicing responsible travel can help preserve this natural beauty for future generations. Welcome to the Great Blue Hole, a stunning underwater sinkhole that has captivated divers and marine enthusiasts from around the world. This geological marvel is part of the Belize Barrier Reef and features a circular shape that spans over 1,000 feet across and plunges to depths of around 410 feet. The unique geological features, including stalactites and limestone formations, provide a glimpse into the Earth's history, while the biodiversity within the hole is equally impressive. Divers can encounter a variety of marine life, including colorful coral, nurse sharks, and even the occasional hammerhead shark. For those looking to explore this natural wonder, diving in the Great Blue Hole is an unforgettable experience. It's essential to have proper certification, and to dive with experienced guides who can navigate the depths safely. Many divers recommend visiting during the dry season, from April to June, for the best visibility and conditions. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Great Blue Hole is also a focal point for conservation efforts aimed at protecting its delicate ecosystem. Local organizations work tirelessly to promote sustainable tourism practices, ensuring that this breathtaking underwater paradise remains preserved for generations to come. As we wrap up our journey through some of the most unreal places in the world, let's recap the key highlights. We explored the breathtaking Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, where the mirror-like surface creates a surreal landscape, and Antelope Canyon in the USA, known for its stunning wave-like structures and vibrant colors. We marveled at the Northern Lights in Iceland, a magical display of nature that leaves viewers in awe, and the thermal terraces of Pamukkale in Turkey, where history and natural beauty converge. Finally, we dove into the depths of the Great Blue Hole in Belize, a geological wonder teeming with marine life. These incredible destinations remind us of the beauty and diversity our planet has to offer. If you enjoyed this exploration, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video to stay updated on more amazing travel content. We encourage you to share this video with friends and family who might be inspired to embark on their own adventures. Don't forget to check out our related content for more breathtaking locations and travel tips. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next journey.